Those knowledge are helping me to leading the whole project. I have done my BTech in mechanical engineering from Lovely Professional University. My total experience is of 11 years. I was working with market research organization where we do regular projects on electric vehicle, electric two-wheelers and all. The motive of my choosing IntelliPath is just to get a brief on a electric vehicle. The lecturers they chose, I don't know how they chose, but all of them have totally means a great experience. Every topic was very deeply and thoroughly given to us. This course of electric vehicle program was very useful for me to broaden my whole career and boost the whole knowledge. Those knowledge are helping me to leading the whole project. 100% I will recommend.